We need your support. Click the like buttons below. Now onto the video. Welcome to readtheticker.com. Bitcoin does not move in isolation. It is a risk type similar to a couple other asset classes. So we can watch these other asset classes to see and if Bitcoin is going to attract the same risk capital. Now these are the asset classes you should monitor to see where the money is going to go into a risky asset class such like Bitcoin. One is the emerging market, it's the top line here, and one is crude oil, and the other is the Russell 2000. What we have here is a chart which is weekly, and the shaded blue areas are the best times when Bitcoin rallied well. Now we've got Bitcoin here analog format, which is just the standard, and we've got Bitcoin in green here, which is the logarithmic format. So I've shaded the best rallies in the crypto and the Bitcoin, and you'll see, quite frankly, when money is going into crude oil quite well, because our crypto started here, the data did anyway. When money is actually going to crude oil, and we actually are getting higher lows and creeping up higher highs, higher lows, nearly a higher low, and at one attempt, the crypto does well. What's interesting at the moment, we've got crude oil crashing. I mean, it's got below zero here, but this is the electronic price, and we've had Russell crash. Look at that, it's really gone down 60%. Oh, was it? No, it's about 40%. Right? But the cryptos have gone, say, from 10,000, it'd be about the same, 10,000 to 4,000. So they have performed performed in the same manner as Russell 2000. So my point of the evening is, if you see money coming in, emerging markets, Russell 2000 and crude oil, well, you see those three basing out and seem to be slowing on the trek downwards and start to base out, Bitcoin is going to start getting demand. Okay, at the moment, Bitcoin is most likely to slump or travel sideways to down. As we can see, the risk capital is staying away from these risky asset classes. You can see with emerging markets, crude oil, and the Russell 2000 to see how they're doing against the US dollar or the risk environment. So at the moment, we probably have to wait to see crude base out, and here's some good news. Now there is a positive point. Obviously Trump has voters in Texas and Pennsylvania who are big into shale, so eventually he's going to have to get crude oil up. So which basically means is that I understand he's been making phone calls to Putin, and obviously Putin can help with Saudi Arabia by cutting production to get oil up, but Putin wants a quid pro quo, obviously, with the he'll get the oil price up if Trump obviously gives him a quid pro quo on something he wants, which has got to do with the sanctions or maybe the gold price. But I mean, obviously Trump can't last too long with the oil prices down, because it needs the economy to do better. So we just have to watch for actions like that. Bitcoin will start rallying once you see oil and the Russell 2000 bottom out. And obviously the next 30-40 days we're going to find out whether it's going to be like 1929 or 1987. So there's no rush to get into Bitcoin. Just let it waddle along, base out, and watch these risky assets of emerging markets, Russell 2000 and oil, to see how they overcome the falling knife type scenario. Thanks for watching.